Choosing the appropriate juicer can be crucial if you're prepared to begin living a healthier lifestyle. We've compiled a list of some of the top juicers that strike the ideal balance between power, design, and convenience, whether you want rapid on-the-go fruit extractions or nutrient-rich cold-pressed blends. These devices do more than just squeeze juice. They also help you get the most out of your produce while making cleanup easy and stress-free. There's something here for everyone, from quick centrifugal models designed for hectic mornings to slow, masticating machines that preserve every bit of deliciousness. Let's explore which juicer can genuinely improve your cooking routine, so gather your preferred fruits and vegetables. Perhaps you'll find your next daily dose of freshness. Number 7. EanOruus Cold Press Juicer. The EanOruus Cold Press Juicer could become your new best friend in the kitchen if you enjoy fresh juice but detest the preparation. Its broad 5.3-inch feed chute allows you to add whole fruits and vegetables without first chopping them, making it ideal for hectic mornings. Because of its safety-conscious design, even families with children can use it. Its 400-watt motor is what truly makes it stand out. It is strong enough to handle challenging items like apples or carrots while maintaining efficiency and quietness. It extracts up to 99% of the juice while maintaining vitamins, flavor, and freshness thanks to its 7-stage spiral auger and slow masticating process. You consistently receive a smoother, more nutrient-rich drink because the gentle juicing approach also helps reduce heat and oxidation. Its double-layer filter system, which expertly separates juice and pulps, no clogs, no remaining bits, just pure clean juice, is another lovely feature. The pieces don't become as sticky or filthy, which makes cleanup much easier. However, for smaller kitchens, the juicer may feel a little large and heavy, and it may require some patience to assemble correctly the first time. Nevertheless, the EanOruus Cold Press Juicer produces great results once you get the hang of it. It's a stylish, textured black device that does more than just look good on your counter. It actually makes juicing quicker, healthier, and more pleasurable. Number 6. Breville Juice Fountain Plus. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus JE98XL is an excellent option if you want to begin your juicing experience with something quick, simple, and dependable. Built with Breville's renowned efficiency, this juicer is strong, stylish, and surprisingly user-friendly for beginners. Its 3-inch wide feed tube, which allows you to slip in entire apples, carrots, or oranges without having to spend time slicing, is one of its best features. Mornings are much easier only because of that. It has an 850-watt motor under the hood and produces remarkable performance and speed. With just a button press, you can choose between harsher ingredients like beets and gentler ones like spinach, thanks to the dual-speed control. Your juice will always taste vivid and fresh because of its Italian-made micro-fresh filter and titanium-reinforced cutting disc, which are meant to extract as much juice as possible without sacrificing nutrients. The included froth separator, which guarantees you receive pure, smooth juice rather than a foamy mess, is another considerate feature. The cord neatly coils below for small storage, and the majority of the pieces are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a pleasure. The juice may not keep fresh as long as with a cold press juicer, and because it is a centrifugal juicer, it can be a little noisy. Nevertheless, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus makes juicing them straightforward due to its speed, simplicity, and high-quality results. For anyone who wants fresh juice without the hassle, this well-designed machine strikes a mix between power, simplicity, and convenience. Number 5. YPONE Cold Press Juicer. The YPONE Cold Press Juicer can be exactly what you need if you're serious about fresh, nutrient-rich juice, but detest the trouble of chopping. With its 5.4-inch wide feed chute, which can accommodate entire fruits and vegetables, you may start juicing without having to do any preparation. Additionally, when the lid is opened, the machine will immediately stop, thanks to its clever safety lock, giving your family an additional degree of security. In order to avoid that accumulation and oxidation, the juicer uses slow masticating technology, running at a leisurely 55 RPM. As a result, your juice tastes as near to nature as possible while retaining more vitamins, enzymes, and natural flavors. Its dual-layer strainers minimize blockages and filter juice twice for incredibly smooth results. Making the most of every fruit or vegetable you add will result in a high juice production. It's amazing how easy it is to operate. Even novices can easily assemble or disassemble it with only 3 easy steps and a single button. Because a brush and push rod are supplied, cleaning is very quick. It feels strong and long-lasting because of its heavy-duty construction, and the side vents keep the motor from overheating and prolong its useful life. Its size may require some counter space, and because it is a slow juicer, it is not the fastest choice. However, the YPONE Cold Press Juicer is a good, dependable option for everyday usage if you value nutrients, a smooth texture, and ease of cleanup. Number 4. Whuto Cold Press Juicer. The Whuto Cold Press Juicer is the ideal choice if you're looking for a juicer that combines performance, style, and ease of use. You can add whole fruits and vegetables without chopping thanks to its 4.35-inch wide feed chute, which saves a ton of prep time. Anyone who enjoys fresh juice but detests the hassle will find it ideal. It's a significant benefit for tiny kitchens since, despite its large chute, it's remarkably compact and doesn't take up much of your countertop. This juicer increases juice yields up to 30% thanks to a newly designed spiral auger and improved cold press technology. Smooth, pulp-free, nutrient-rich juice is guaranteed by the dual-layer mesh filters. While maintaining its strength and durability, the stainless steel body gives it a sleek, contemporary appearance. Even while you're multitasking in the kitchen, it's simple to use thanks to the clever 45-degree tilted control panel. Whuto also masters the small things, such as non-slip suction cups that keep the motor steady while juicing and an improved cooling system to prolong its life. In terms of safety, it has a smart lock mechanism that, in the event that the lid opens, automatically stops, preventing mishaps and ensuring family safety. Cleaning is surprisingly simple. The majority of its components may be cleaned with water, and it disassembles in 3 easy stages. For difficult pieces, a little brush comes in handy. The only small disadvantage is that because of its masticating design, it is a little slower. However, this results in juice that is fresher and more nutrient-rich. All things considered, it's a wise, dependable, and family-friendly option for regular juicing. Number 3. Anybear Cold Press Juicer. The Anybear Cold Press Juicer is worth considering if you're looking for a strong juicer that's long-lasting and simple to operate. Because of its 4.3-inch wide feed tube, you can drop in whole fruits and veggies without first slicing them into pieces, which saves a ton of time on hectic mornings. This juicer's 200-watt high-torque motor, which runs at a constant 65 RPM to extract up to 98.9% of the juice, is what truly sets it apart. Your juice will taste fresher and retain its flavor longer thanks to its gradual mastication process, which also helps to minimize oxidation and maintain nutrients. The robust PMMA construction of the heavy-duty auger ensures a longer machine life while effectively crushing items. The feed chute's use of baby food-grade Triton material provides an additional benefit. Because it has no BPA, every glass of juice you create is pure and safe. Convenience is also a top priority in the design. Cleaning is surprisingly quick thanks to its one-piece stainless steel filter and easy disassembly. Most pieces can be rinsed under water in a few minutes. Its slow juicing process can take a little longer than centrifugal machines, but that's a trade-off for the richer, more nutrient-rich juice it produces. Although its sturdy construction gives it a high-end, long-lasting feel, it is also a little bulkier than small juicers. All things considered, the Anybear Cold Press Juicer blends performance, safety, and smart design, making it ideal for anyone who takes their juicing seriously. Number 2. Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. Anyone who desires tasty, smooth, and fresh juice without having to worry about messy cleanups or frequent clogs will love the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. This juicer's high-torque, 150-watt motor keeps the juice flowing continuously, unlike traditional juicers that frequently have trouble with fibrous fruits and vegetables. With total pulp control, you have 2 adjustable filters, one for less pulp and another for a little more texture, so you can truly customize your juice. Its ease of use is what makes it so convenient. Juicing is nearly infallible because there are only 2 one-touch programs: start, stop, and reverse. Another smart addition is the anti-drip lever, which keeps your counter spotless and saves every last drop. Additionally, every component that comes into contact with juice is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and simple with less hours of scrubbing. For small kitchens, the juicer's modest size is a big benefit. It boasts a sleek charcoal stainless steel finish that looks good on the surface. It's lightweight and fits nicely beneath cupboards. However, compared to rapid centrifugal machines, it takes a little longer to extract juice because it is a slow juicer. However, the trade-off is worthwhile because you receive improved nutrient retention, a smoother texture, and a richer flavor. All things considered, the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer is an excellent combination of clever design and reliable functionality, making it ideal for anyone seeking homemade, healthful juice with greater control and less trouble. Number 1. Qcen Juicer Machine. Anyone who wants to juice fruits and vegetables quickly and easily without spending hours preparing them will love the Qcen Juicer Machine. When it comes to effectively extracting juice from tougher foods like carrots or apples, its powerful 800-watt engine makes it a beast. This centrifugal device, in contrast to slow juicers, completes tasks quickly, making it ideal for hectic mornings. Another significant benefit is a 3-inch wide mouth funnel, which allows you to put in large chunks or whole fruits without slicing everything into little pieces. Depending on what you're juicing, you have versatility thanks to its 2-speed controls. While the high-speed setting easily handles heavier produce like celery and pears, the slow-speed setting wielding is ideal for softer fruits like oranges or strawberries. It feels sturdy and is light enough to maneuver around the kitchen because it is composed of sturdy stainless steel. Its integrated safety system is one of its outstanding features. It adds peace of mind by automatically shutting off if it overheats and won't start unless the cover is securely locked in place. Because every component is detachable and dishwasher safe, cleaning is very simple. Naturally, because it is a centrifugal juicer, it may not extract as much juice from leafy greens as cold-pressed juicers, and it can be a little noisy. However, convenience and quickness are sacrificed. All things considered, the Qcen juicer machine is perfect for anyone who needs fresh juice in a matter of minutes with little work and simple cleanup. And there you have it, the top juicers that may totally change how you enjoy fresh juice at home. Each of these options adds something unique to your kitchen. Whether you prefer the nutrient-rich smoothness of a cold-pressed juicer or the lightning-fast power of a centrifugal one, these devices make healthy living simple and enjoyable, with features including time-saving wide chutes, quiet, effective motors, and simple cleanup designs. Which one will you choose to begin your juicing journey then? Tell us in the comments section below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to Legit Pick for more frank evaluations and top picks. Juice with flavor and freshness is only a click away.